Hey guys, I haven't posted on here for a long time, haven't made any videos. Made a few Instagram videos, not a whole lot going on, pictures and stuff, but I'm here to update everyone. I purchased a 1986 Buick Regal, LS swapped it, turbo, 480, 9-inch rear. Ran the car for almost a year and broke a few things, a couple pistons, cracked ring lands, and torched the head gasket. So I'm rebuilding for Rocky Mountain Race Week. I am registered for Rocky Mountain Race Week 1.0 on June 12th, I think it starts. I am going to work what I can, as hard as I can to get it done, get it ready for the event. Sorry. I have an engine to go in it, a set of ported heads from Colmeyer, local guy to me, and a new 480 with a HD2 shift kit getting installed, FTI triple disc billet converter on the way, and I've got parts for pretty much everything ready to go. Here in the trunk of my vehicle, full of parts. There's a spare starter for race week, front drag shocks, new slip yoke for the drive shaft, a 1350 yoke for the differential, drag springs, 9-inch rebuild, quick performance disc brake kit, ICT billet, parts. Can't remember what all was in there. I think a remote coil kit and a few other things. I've got an aluminum intercooler kit, fuel cell. I've got a set of 600 lift springs, hardened push rods, and trunnions for the heads. So I got a Harbor Freight arbor press to install the trunnion kits in the rockers. Here's the car at its current state. I've got Holley Terminator X Max controlling it. I do not currently have AC hooked up to it, so my wife will probably not be riding with me. It's all factory sheet metal. Obviously it's a lot rougher than most cars, but it's got some of the typical G-body issues. I got a 9-inch differential out of a hobby stock dirt track car and ran pretty good. I'm actually running the IMCA wheels for it too. This is the old transmission. I actually saw 300-degree transmission temp on the last few passes that I made, and transmission stopped doing wide open throttle shifts and the fluid is burnt really bad. You can actually maybe see the tail shaft bushing is back in, just hanging on the shaft. All the aluminum in the tail shaft is wore out. It ruined the It ruined the slip yoke on the drive shaft because it was rubbing for so long. I'd never even noticed it, never had any vibrations or anything. So that was an expense that I wasn't expecting. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I've got a little time to work on it tonight, and I'll work on it the next few nights. Hopefully I can get one, maybe 2 videos out coming up soon. And hopefully I can continue making videos